Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Chidima and today I'll be showing you how I made this moist and delicious banana bread. So if you're interested, keep watching. The first thing I'm doing is combining and sieving all the dry ingredients together. We have flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Sieving your flour is a very important step. It helps you get rid of anything that may have found its way into your flour. Sieving also incorporates air into the flour, which improves the overall texture of your baked goods. Now it's time to combine your wet ingredients. Add your bananas to a bowl and mash that with a fork or a whisk like I'm doing. If you like chunky bits of banana in your bread, you can stop here, but if you like it smooth, then keep mashing. The full recipe will be in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Now add in your eggs, sugar, buttermilk, or just regular milk if that's what you have available, vanilla flavor and milk flavor, and then mix well. Now add in melted margarine and mix everything well. Feel free to use vegetable oil or melted butter if you have that available. Now that everything is well combined, add your dry ingredients in 2 parts, mixing with a spatula until just combined. If you've watched this video to this point, please give it a thumbs up and drop a feedback in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Once everything is fully incorporated like this, transfer your batter into your baking pans. Please make sure to grease them or line them with parchment paper so that your bread comes off easily. Now this step is totally optional, but I decided to top it up with some Nutella and crushed peanuts. You can totally skip this or add any toppings that you like. Now transfer the batter to your oven and let it bake for 40 to 45 minutes. And just like that, friends, we've made this yummy banana bread. I hope you try out this recipe. It keeps well in the freezer, so you can make it in advance. Put this in your kids' lunchbox and I'm sure they will love you even more. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Bye for now and see you in my next one.